Trump is not backing down at this insistence that the US should have control over Greenland. And then there's been this sort of worry with the obviously the capturing of Venezuela's Maduro, and then the American conservative podcaster Katie Miller tweeting that image of Greenland with the word soon has sort of elicited this very strong response from both Denmark and Greenland. And they want to have more dialogue with the US, and they've always said that Greenland's open for business. Having said that, I don't think it's a far reach to imagine that, Trump, he sort of has seen this in the past as a real estate purchase, and that sort of switched over the last year to be more of the importance of Greenland for national security of the United States. So whether there be some sort of discussion at the table to look at the military position, to the US, both Greenland and Denmark would be open probably to have more of a military presence. They're already sort of upping the amount of investment that's going into defense spending. But, these are slightly unpredictable times. And I think, both Greenland and Denmark, officials have been a little bit baffled, because if security is the key issue, then there is already a framework. There is a defense agreement whereby the US could boost its military presence. Some have wondered whether they want to cut a deal on mineral resources. Trump has said recently that it's not about mineral resources, so that sort of leaves a question whether it's something else. Some have wondered, some analysts have suggested, is this a smokescreen because Trump wants more territory, just pure expansionism? But there'll have to be dialogue going forward. Europeans have come forward sort of backing Denmark. The German foreign minister said this needs to be a discussion with NATO, because Greenland is a NATO ally as part of Denmark. I imagine that there's some sort of proposal being worked on in the White House. I wouldn't see that a far reach, but I think the fact they've appointed an envoy would probably suggest that they're going to go down the route of dialogue.